Assalamu alaikum. Guess what today is? Today is the day we complete the alphabet. Yay, good job. So we're going to go to our last 5 letters, and we're going to start with the letter Meme. Meme, that's fun to draw. Meme. I'm going to work with you on how to draw the letters in the future, but try to emulate it through viewing the video. It's not hard at all. This letter is Meme. Put a fatha on Meme, becomes Ma. Ma. Put a kasra on Meme, it becomes Mi. Mi. And if you put a dhamma on Meme, it becomes, you got it, Mu. Mu. Ma, Mi, Mu. I know, just like a cow. Ma, Mi, Mu. I can read your thoughts, I can. Meme. Next one, Noon. Another smiley face, but this comes at the end and it has a note in the middle. And it's just like it's pronounced. Noon. 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 Here we go. Fatha. Na. Kasra. Ni. Dhamma. Nu. Na. Ni. Nu. Yay! Now we're almost there. I'm so excited. This is the roller coaster. Let me do it one more time. My students, I call it the roller coaster when I teach them, because you go up and down and all around. There you go. Ha! This is the sound that the H makes in hat. Ha. Ha. With the fatha, it is ha. Ha. With the kasra, it is he. He. And with the dhamma, it is who. Who. Ha. He. Who. 2 more letters. So excited. Next one. Here we go. Wow. You should this should come to you like immediately. Wow. As in wow. Wow. Harf wow. With a fatha, it makes a wa. Wa. With the kasra, it makes a wi. Wi. And with a dhamma, it makes a wu. Wu. Wa. Wi. Wu. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. That, you know what this means. The last letter. And it's called a yeah. 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 Harf yeah. With the fatha, it makes the yeah. Yeah. With the kasra, it makes the yi. Yi. And with the dhamma, it makes the you. 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 All right. We just completed the 28 letters with the first 3 short vowel sounds. Congratulations. So proud of you. So let's go ahead and reiterate all the letters one more time. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dad, val, ra, zain, sin, sheen, sad, dad, ta, va, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam. We're going to add meme, noon, ha, wow, and yes, last but not least, yeah. And there you have it. Al-ahruf al-abjadiyya. Congratulations. Guess what? The bonus today is The word mabruk. And guess what mabruk means? Now we know them all. Your mim, your ba, your ra, wow, and kaf. Mabruk means, I know some of you out there already know, but for those of you who don't, mabruk means congrats. Congratulations. We are big on amenities in Arabic. We have an amenity for anything, any situation, and we're gonna learn them all. If you stay along and stick with me. Here we go. Mabruk, mabruk for you for learning all the 28 letters with the first 3 symbols. Thank you so much. Jazakum Allah khair. What are you gonna do? Study. Thank you.